Hello. Do you want to know what the hot topic of Squid is? Do you want to know how to install a combination of VirtualBox, CentOS and Squid with absolutely no cost? Do you want to learn how to quickly configure Squid as a gateway in a matter of minutes? You will learn how to selectively allow users in your local area network to access the internet based on their IP address, username and password, MAC address, time of day. You will be able to filter web access, denying such things as porn, games, or social network sites. I will also show you how to limit browsing speed, which is very important if you have a limited internet connection and multiple users. And at the end, I will show you how to set up anonymizing proxy in the cloud for those of you who value their privacy. All this will add an important skill to your professional portfolio, since you will be able to set a server that can replace proprietary equipment that costs tens of thousands of dollars. My name is Yasenko. I'm a master in telecommunications and working with information technologies since days of C64. I love working with IT and transferring knowledge to other people. So please go ahead and start with this course, because you will find some amazing things inside that will make you want to explore this piece of software even further. And yes, there's a 30 days money back guarantee if you don't like what you see, but I'm sure you will like it.